down to Gordon guitar. So Pink, she released a couple new songs here lately, and we'll cover many of those, a couple of those at least. And this one is, in my opinion, the best one. This is the one I felt most for. This is Long Way to Go. It's featuring the LUMENEERS. So I love the LUMENEERS as well, so a great collaboration there. And yeah, beautiful song, and it's very fun and great to play as well. Very easy also, so that's great. Let's start this with capo set here on the 4th fret. So with capo set on 4th, we have 3 different chords to go over. So the first one will be C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have G. I can show you the full chord. You will not play down here on this top strings, but anyway, you will have 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And the final chord will be D, and we will have this in a slightly different version. It's up here. So it's 5th on A, 4th on D, open G, 3rd on B, and open E. And like I mentioned here, we'll not play that much on the top strings. We'll stay with the bass and mid strings there because we have the melody going on. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to play this one. It goes in the same way through the entire song. So the first part will be C. It goes like this. Okay, so what I want to highlight here is the 2nd fret D string. So, okay, so you're gonna play 5 times in total on the 2nd fret D string. So, and then on the 6th time you play the open D string. So 6 times in total on the D string. So. So you hold the C chord as it is. You try to get the A string as well here, the 3rd fret A string, to have this bass going on. And you can also go down to the G string and incorporate that as well. It's up to you, but really try to get the D string. That's where the thing happens here. So. Alright, then you shift to G. What I do here, I don't hold the full chord as it is. I just hold the bass here, the 3rd fret on E and 2nd on A. Now the notes are on the A string to begin with, and it's the same concept here. It's 5 times on the 2nd fret A string this time. So, alright, so it's 5 times on the 2nd A. And then on the 6th down, you play the open D string. So. Alright. And that's the G. And then you go over finally to the D here. This is twice as long as the C and G. Okay, so the first round will be to highlight the 4th fret D string 5 times in the same pattern here. And on the 6th down, you add the 5th fret on D string. So you have your little pinky ready here to just put it on the 5th fret D string right under the 5th fret A string there. Your ring finger, probably. So the first half of it will be like this. And then you go back to highlight again 5 times on the 4th fret D string. And the final note there, the 6th time here, you slide up here to the 2nd fret D string. And you start all over again on the C, because that is now again the note you're gonna highlight there. So it goes in a circle like that. All right, so that final D chord was. first half, and then you're ready for the C up here. All right, so that is how it goes. I'm gonna give you a couple of rounds of it, of this beautiful song, so let's go. So there you have it, guys, Pink and the Lumineers, Long Way to Go. Give it a try, beautiful song. So yeah, subscribe if you haven't yet, and thumb up this tutorial if you love it. So thank you for watching, guys, and play tuned.